Hi folks. By now you should have joined your geometry class in my Kahn Academy, either period 3 or period 7. If you haven't, make sure you follow the directions to do that. But what I'm walking you through now are the same directions that are posted on my teacher page about how to get to the SAT practice that we're going to be using for practice for SAT, and it also counts as homework assignment. So if you're at your Kahn Academy main page, you would or if you're somewhere else in there, you can just click on that Kahn Academy up at the top there, and that's gonna, that should take you to this automatic start page here. Okay, and just like the directions here, I'm just gonna follow I'm gonna go up to this arrow here labeled courses. Let me click on courses, and what we mainly want to work on in our Kahn Academy is going to be SAT practice. Okay, so we click on SAT. And once we go to SAT, we want to practice. So you see the practice button up here. This is where we're going to live in Kahn Academy. We're always going to be doing practice. No reading and writing for us in geometry. We're going to practice math. So the very first task you have when you're going to click on math, you can see on the handout that's on my teacher page as well. October 1st, we want to complete the 4 math diagnostic quizzes. Okay, so there's all 4 of them here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so if you click on quiz 1, looks like I probably have already done this. It says review your answers, but if you haven't, you're going to click on the quiz that you haven't done and submit it, and I will get a record of that. It'll automatically, if you're registered in my class, seamlessly show me what you've completed in that. So again, if you're not in my class, and I should have checked on that by this point, to make sure that you get into the class first in your Kahn Academy account. There's a code for that, and we're going to complete these quizzes by October 1st.